Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to set the alerts or warning for products or vendors in Odoo 17 purchase module. Vendor warning allows to set alerting users about the vendor issues like the credit limit problems or quality concerns, allows for informed decisions before placing an order. And this helps avoid potential financial risk or ensure product quality aligns with expectations. And product warnings allows setting the warnings about the low stocks, discontinued items, or safety issues, enables informed purchase decision. This helps to prevent the stockouts purchase of the products or potential safety hazards. Now let's see how can we manage with the warnings or alerts in Odoo 17 purchase module. So let's move on to the purchase module, and in the configuration settings we need to enable the warning, and that would allow you to get warnings in the orders for the products or vendors. So we have just enabled that. Now let's move on to the products and let's see how can we set the warning for a product. So here we are going to consider different products such as acoustic block screen, cable management box, as well as let's consider other product which is corner desk left seat. So I'll be considering all these products and I'm going to set the block a warning for the acoustic block screen. So if you want to set the warning message under the purchase tab, you can see warning when purchasing this product. So I'm going to choose warning for this product because this product is damaged product. So I don't need to let somebody to purchase this item. So I'll be setting a warning like damaged products. Now let's consider another product which is a cable management box where you can set the warning for this product like as this is having a bad quality, we cannot, we don't need to just let the users to purchase the item. So we need to just block this product from purchasing. So you can just set a warning like blocking message with bad quality. And here I'll be setting another product which is corner desk left seat, which will be having a warning with a no message so that the users could purchase this item anytime. Now we have different warning for vendors also. Now we know the some of the vendors having low credit limits or some might be scammers or fraud or anything. So in such cases, you can just consider different vendors. Let me consider the one of the vendor over here. So if we want to set the vendor warning under the internal notes, we can just manage. And here you can see that we have just set the warning as a scammer because this vendor never provide the product in a proper way. So the vendor is a scammer. Now here you can see that another vendor as under the internal notes, we need to block this vendor because whenever we place an order to this vendor always provides the product with cheap quality. So we need to block this vendor from the vendor line because we don't want to purchase the item from this vendor. Now, you can also consider another vendor such as Anita Oliver without setting any warning because Anita Oliver is a loyal vendor who would provide the products with high quality and has the credit limit and all in a proper way. So we can just consider that vendor also by setting the warning as no message. So you can just use that vendor. Now let's move on to the RFQ. Let's consider Anita Oliver first. As we haven't set any warning for this vendor, you can choose that vendor because we know the vendor is a loyal vendor. And here we are just going to consider the product corner desk left seat, which is a high quality product. As we haven't set any warning for both the vendor and product, you could choose this product and vendor without any notifications or any warnings over here in the screen. Now let's change the vendor as Azure Interior. As we know, Azure Interior always provides the product with a cheap quality. We need to block this vendor from letting to purchase of the item from this vendor. So here you can see that as we have set the warning as blocked vendor, we cannot choose the vendor in the vendor line itself. And here we can also change the item to the product acoustic block screen, and acoustic block screen is a damaged product and we do not need to just let users to purchase the item. So we cannot just add, you can see that as this is damaged, we can just add the item to the product line, but we cannot let users to purchase this. So we will be getting a warning over there. And we can also just remove the item from the line, and let's change the item to cable management box. As cable management box has a bad quality, we don't let the users to buy the item, and we cannot just add the item to the product line itself. And this shows the warning like this has blocked into the adding of the product line. Now here you can see the other vendor, and here you can see as this vendor is a scammer, we cannot we don't need to purchase the item from this vendor, but we can just add this vendor into the vendor line, but we would get an alert like that vendor is a scammer. So this is how we manage with the alerts or warning in Odoo 17 purchase module. So I hope this video clarifies how to set warning for vendors or product in Odoo 17 purchase module. And if you want Odoo customizations or any tutorials regarding Odoo, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.